Hi friends, welcome back. Today we are going to study a very important topic, articles. In last video, we studied models. If you remember, in last video I told four topics play a great role for the development of English. If you remember, articles, preposition, tense and models. In last video we studied models. Now today's lecture, our session is dedicated to one of the most influential topic that is responsible to mold English, that is articles. And this topic, believe me, plays a great role in development of English. 90% English can't live without article. Such a great topic article is. Yes, it's true. Let's see its phenomena and significance. Ready? In English, A and D are the articles. I repeat, A and D are the articles. A and are called indefinite article, whereas D is called as definite article. Why? When I say I saw a man, at the same time when I say I saw the man, I saw a man means any man. But when I say I saw the man, I am talking about a particular definite man. That's why the is called as definite article. And a and indefinite. One more example. I met a doctor. At the same time, I met the doctor. I met a doctor means any doctor from this city. But when I say I met the doctor, I am talking about a particular doctor, a definite doctor. That's why the or the is called as definite. You can call the also, the also. What's the difference? Very simple. It's a stress form. The man, the man. Simple difference. So a an indefinite article and the definite article. Now let's check when to use a, when to use an, when to use the. Ready? Yes. But before that, I will clear one point. If you want to speak good English, or if you want to write good English, the topic that I mentioned, four topics, are very important. I will give an example. Suppose you are driving your car and you have license with you. When you have license with you, believe me, you get invisible confidence that I have license. But if you don't have license, you feel somewhat uncomfortable while driving because there is somewhat fear in your mind that I don't have license. Means that license give you confidence while driving. In the same way, these four topics give invisible confidence while speaking English or while writing English. That's why I request you to study these four topics properly. Article once again. Now, when to use article a? Article a should be used before common noun. You know common noun? Man, boy, girl, teacher, city, village, they are common noun. Correct? So article a should be used before common noun or adjective. But that common noun should be singular. It's very clear that you shouldn't use article a before material noun, abstract noun. It should be used just before common noun. But that common noun should be singular. After that, that common noun should begin with consonant sound. I repeat, consonant sound. As you know, in English, A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. And remaining B, C, D up to Z, apart from A, E, I, O, U, are the consonants. Is it clear? So once again, article a should be used before common noun or article. Sorry, adjective. That common noun should be singular and it should begin with the consonant sound. For example, a boy, a student, a great show. If you ever observe, boy is a common noun. It begins with consonant letter. That's why a boy. Next one, a student, a great show. Here, great is adjective. That's why article a. Is it clear? Let's move forward. Next, article an. A and indefinite. An should be used before common noun or adjective. Once again, the same condition repeated. It should be singular and the basic condition, the common noun should begin with vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U are the vowel sound. For example, an ant, A-E-I-O-U, an elephant, an integral part, an owl, an ugly. Here ugly is adjective. You can say an umbrella, like that. Hope that you must have understood. I repeat, a and indefinite, and these are the rules. These are the rules for that. Is it clear? Let's move forward. A great session where many of the people or students get confused. Now there are some exceptions. This is a list of exceptions where they don't follow the rules of a and because of their pronunciation or sound. If you look at all these words, honest, or, your, honorable, MBBS, MLA, MA, MD, MS, ST, SDO, subdivisional officer, SP, X-ray, NCC. Friends, all these words that I just mentioned, they begin with consonant. By rule, there should be a honest, no. Though they begin with consonant, if you check their pronunciation begin with vowel. For example, when I say hat, her, house, her sound is there, right? But while saying honest, we never use her, we use a sound. Honest, a sound is there. Is it clear? Next one, R. We never say har, hover, like that in rough manner, sorry. But it should be R. R means ear. You know, ear, the descendants. Yes. We never say her. It's somewhat E sound is there. Honorable. While saying honorable, we never say her. It is a sound is there. Honorable. He is an honorable man, not honorable man. Clear? That's why. Next one. For example, now one more interesting. MBBS. While saying M sound, we say mat, mouse, monkey, m. But while saying MBBS, we never say MBBS. We say MBBS. A sound is there. That's why an MBBS. Malay nahi, MLA. Monkey sound ma. Whereas MLA, a sound is there. While saying man, we say ma, but while saying MA, we never say maye. We say MA. A sound is there. Next one, MD. A sound is there. Next, MS. No, MS. A sound is there. Next, while saying system, we say so sound. Simple, so sound. Systematic, so sound. The same so sound we never say sati. We say ST. A sound is there. Sadio nahi, SDO. A sound is there. Sapi nahi, SP. A sound is there. Is it clear? Means though they begin with consonant, their pronunciation starts with mostly a sound. A is a vowel. That's why vowel goes for an. Or vowel sound goes for an. Next one, X-ray. A sound is there. Clear? Next one, nose, no. Name, no. No is there ready? We never say no CC. We say NCC. A sound means an NCC. Is it clear? Now, they are the exception here. Though they begin with consonant, they never take a, they take an, because their pronunciation starts with vowel sound. That's why an, mostly an. Now, in the same manner, the next one, university, united, universal, useless, unique, uniform, unit, one-eyed bird, European. If you look at all these words begin with vowel sound. And by rule, it should go with an because vowel sound is there. But no, they are the exceptions. For example, I will tell you, ugly. While saying ugly, the pronunciation comes a. Correct? While saying umbrella, the pronunciation comes a. But same U is there while saying university, pronunciation never come with a. University, 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 U means Y-O-U-L-Y. Is it clear? Next one, united. Umbrella, but united, U. Why is there? Universal. Universal. Next, useless. It is a useless attempt. And next one, unique. 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 Why? Uniform. Uniform. Again, come to ugly. The same word you. Ugly. But same you. Uniform. Why? Next one, unit. Unit. Why? Next, one-eyed bird. Orange. While saying orange. Onion. But while saying one. Water. Water wala. That's why W. One. Correct? While saying, suppose E, elephant is there, elegant is there, right? In the same manner, European, we never say European, it's European. He is a European. Like that. European. European means yo means why. That's why, my dear friends, though they begin with vowel, but their pronunciation begin with consonant letter mostly. Why? That's why, because of their pronunciation and sound, we have to use a before this column. Is it clear? So these are the words, though they begin with consonant, we have to take an. These are the words, though they begin with vowel letter, we have to take a because of pronunciation. Is it clear? But simply I will tell you one interesting fact. If you want to use an, there is one simple array. A. Though all these words begin with begin, any word starts with all this column, all this range, it should be taken an. Simple way to understand. One more hint I will give you. Any word starts with U. I repeat, any word starts with U. If its pronunciation begin with ugly, unlimited, unsupported, or suppose umbrella, that time we should take an. U, later word, pronunciation that time an. Remaining, all these words take a form. Is it clear? So, this is the greatest significance of article an. I hope that you may have digested. Ready? Now, article the. The is called definite. Now, there is a long list when to use article the. Ready? So, now article the. Please, next slide. First thing, article the or these should be used before the names of holy books. You know holy books, we call it Dharma Grantha, correct? The Bible, the Quran, the Gita, before the names of holy books, article the should be used. Next one, before the names of bank, the should be used. I visited the SBI. Before the names of bank, these should be used. Before the names of government department, these should be used. Keep in mind, these are very important rule in writing, especially for students, article for writing, and those who want to speak good English. All these rules should be implemented. Is it clear? So, before government department, the revenue department, the income tax department, those should be used. Next, those should be used before famous hotel, the Taj Hotel at Mumbai. The attack was at the Taj, right? Next one, before monument, article thus should be used. The Taj Mahal, the Bibi Ka Maqbara, like that. Next one, number 6. Article thus should be used before the name of railway. The Sachkhand Express comes from Amritsar. The Sachkhand Express. Next, the Devgiri comes from Mumbai. Before the names of railway, article thus should be used. Before the name of ship, article thus should be used. The Gangotri, the Titanic, etc. Before the name of newspaper, article thus should be used. The Lokmat, the Indian Express, the Times of India, the Sakar, article thus should be used. Every day I read the Times. Clear? Next one, planet. Before the name of planet, article thus should be used. The Venus, the Jupiter. Next, particular common noun. Let me clear this point. Just I mention you, and indefinite, and the is called definite. So when you want to stress a particular common noun, at that time article thus should be used. For example, I saw the man. I am pointing a particular common noun. I met the student. This student means I am talking about a particular one. And that's why I visited the doctor. I am talking about a particular one. Next one, number 11. Article the should be used in the repetition of common noun. I beg your kind pardon, there is a small printing mistake. Actually, in the first sentence, there should be I saw a boy and the boy was hungry. Please, I will make the correction later on. So, when I say I saw a boy, but same sentence when I want to talk about that boy, I should use the boy. I met a student. The student is a collector now. I met a student, but the same when I want to repeat that student, I should say the student. Clear? Next one, representing entire class. The cow is a useful animal. Here the cow represents entire cow community. The dog is an honest animal. Here the dog talking about entire dog community. Next one, before the range of mountain, the should be used. The Himalaya, the Alps. Next, group of island. Article the is very must. The Andamans, the Nicobars. Next, before the names of ocean, article the should be used. The Pacific, the Indian Ocean, etc. Next one. Now, article the should be used before the names of sea. The Arabian Sea. Correct? Before the names of Gulf, the Persian Gulf. Next, before the names of magazine, article thus should be used. The Week, the Outlook. Every month I read the Week. Next, magazines or museum. Before the names of museum, the Salarjung Museum at Hyderabad is really a great one. The Salarjung Museum. Next one, nationalities. The Indians are great. The French are brave. Like that. Because I am talking about nationality. Next one. Article thus should be used in the case of ordinals. You know, ordinals first, second, third, fourth, fifth. They are the ordinals. 1, 2, 3, they are cardinals. In the case of ordinals, article thus should be used. He is the second man for this appointment. Next one. I was the first at that time. The first, the second, the third, like that. Article thus should be used in superlative degrees. The greatest, the smallest, the youngest, etc. The thing which is unique in the world, article thus should be used. Unique, you know, the sun, the moon, the earth, they are the unique in the world. At that time, article thus should be used. Article thus should be used while you mention famous awards. The Nobel Prize, the Bharat Ratna. Correct? Next, while showing the direction or direction, article thus should be used. Go to the north, go to the south, etc. etc. Next one. Now, article thus should be used mentioning entire family members. When you want to mention entire family members, at that time, article thus should be used. For example, the Patils are here. It means that all the members of Patil family are here. The Deshpandes went to America. Means all the members of Deshpande family went to America. Clear? Next one. While mentioning desert, article though is very must. The Sahara, the Thar. Next. In case of canal, these very must. The Suez Canal, the Panama Canal. Next, while mentioning lake, the is very must. The Dal Lake at Kashmir or Srinagar is very popular. Clear? Next, famous temple, the Balaji temple is really a miracle. Because I mentioned or I'm just talking about a famous temple. So in case of famous temple, article the is very must. Next one, number 31. Article the should be used before USA, UK, UAE, USSR. I visited America or an America. Absolutely wrong because it's a name of country proper noun. But in case of USA, I should use I visited the USA. I visited the UK. He came from the UAE. So it's an abbreviated form of that federal states. So in that case, article thus should be used. Next one, before the names of dam, article thus should be used. The Shankar Dam at Nanded is a great one. Shankar Dam. Next, the Bhakra Nangal, you know, the famous dam is there. Next one, forts. The Raigad Fort. Before the names of forts or castle, article thus should be used. The Raigad was the capital of Maratha Empire. The Raigad, the Shivneri, the Sinhagad, not Kondana, the Sinhagad. Next one, high profile post. Before name of high profile post, it should come the collector, the prime minister, the chief minister. It's a high profile post. Next, article thus should be used before the names of caves. The Ajanta caves is really a great one. Right? Next one, number 36. Article thus should be used before the name of airport. The Rajiv Gandhi International Airport, Hyderabad, is really a wonderful one. Before the name of airport, article thus should be used. Before the name of waterfall, article thus should be used. The Girisappa, the Niagara, very popular. Next, before the name of sanctuary, article the should be used. The Nagjira Wildlife Sanctuary is really worth to see. Correct. Next one, sport event, the Commonwealth Game, sport event, the Olympic, etc. The IPL matches. Next, famous hospital needs article though. Yes, the Apollo Hospital at Hyderabad is really a great one, wonderful one, like that. Next one. Let me clear one point. Generally, while writing English, regarding in case of students, we say that grammatically sentence wrong. What does it mean? Grammatically sentence wrong means there are only 4 chances. 1, tense may be wrong. Second, article use is not proper. Prepositions are wrongly used and modals are incorrect. Or maybe punctuation rule. Apart from there are no mistakes. While speaking English also, it's grammatically wrong. English means what is exactly grammatically wrong? Grammatically wrong means they don't follow the rules of article or preposition or tense. So once again, I stress the point. Those who want to speak good English, a very polished English, or confidently they want to speak English, so please take care of this chapter along with model, as I mentioned in the last video, and the next video I am talking about tenses. And please don't miss that videos. So next, back to Pavilion. Now, before name of famous library, article thus should be used. The National Library is really a great one. Article thus should be used before the names of shopping mall, the Norbit, the Treasure Bazaar, etc. Next, before the names of Bay, article thus should be used, the Bay of Bengal. Before the names of studio, article thus should be used. The RK Studio was the pride of Mumbai when Raj Kapoor was alive. Next one, before the names of missile, article thus should be used. The Agni missile, the Prithvi missile, etc. Next one, number 46. Article thus should be used before the names of institute. The Shivaji Education Society is really a graceful one. Next one, before the geographical lines like equator, please here spelling is wrong. Equator and latitude, article thus should be used. Next, before the name of race, the Jews, etc. Before famous movements in history, historical movements better say, the 1942 movement, the non-cooperation movement, article thus should be used. Next, political parties, before the names of political parties, article thus should be used. The BJP, the Congress, etc. etc. So dear friends, this is a long list of article the. Hope that you may have understood, right? And please go through all the rules so that it will be easy for you in communication especially, right? So please follow all the rules and please subscribe my channel and place your views so it will be useful for me for my next videos. Thank you.